Yeah, and this is going to be my meal. Already 3:20. Yo, good day guys. Yeah, a little bit humid today. Yeah, there are so many people this day around here because of the a little hot temperature this time. Still windy, good if you are in the shaded area, but under the sun will be hot. The afternoon. I am not sure about the temperature. Maybe yeah, 31, 32 something. And a lot of people are celebrating today because today is Australia Day. And this is how it is today. It is low tide and there are so many people. Today is Australia Day, holiday today. Oh, yesterday I wrapped some money because I am planning to put it somewhere and let the people pound it by themselves and be happy that they found the money. Yeah, it's like my way of saying thank you for Australia, for giving me the opportunity to experience this good life. Yeah, this in my backpack. Yeah, this one. This one is $50, and I write in here, this money is for you or give it to your friend. This is my way of saying thank you to Australia for giving me the opportunity to experience the good life. There is another one. This is $20 and it says thank you Australia for a wonderful life experience. Robbie. Yeah, I write my name. Anyway, they don't know me, so it's okay to write my name. Yeah, the same. This just this because these are the only cash I have. It's $50, $60, $70, $80, $90. Oh, I won't be able to distribute this because Inigo called and he said that Kuya Ruel is there and they will go to my house. So I need to go to my house now.
Cake sa inyo.
Ha?
Cake.
Ano yan?
Cake.
Kaya pala.
Kaya pala.
Happy birthday po. Teka lang. Siya natin lang.
Birthday ko bukas eh.
Happy birthday.
Kaya pala. Kaya pala tayo may lighter ka. With 7 years old lang yan.
2, 4, 6.
Ilan taon ka na ba?
61.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday
Thank
po.
you.
Happy birthday.
11 years old lang ako dito.
Happy birthday po.
Thank you, thank you. Mahal pa rin yata ang
From
MacBook.
dapat.
Mahal pa yata ang MacBook.
Huwag kang
Pro.
bibili ng air.
Bakit?
Kasi manipis eh.
Oo, mahilig kayo, dalawa kayo pa rin yung kalbo eh.
Yo, it is now 5 o'clock. Yeah, so Kuya Ruel, it's Kuya Ruel birthday. Yeah, and Inigo, he prepared something for them for Kuya Ruel birthday. Kuya Ruel was surprised that he has that cake. And yeah, but I'm still hungry. I ate one slice of the cake. It's good, but I still prepare rice. That's why I'm reheating this rice. and I'm just going to fry some egg. Also, I'm going to stir some of this. This is supposed to be in the picnic with the bisdak Aussie, and yeah, but Inigo said don't bring it. Oh, the egg is good, very tasty, but the vegetable, it's not absorbing any flavor anymore, so it's bland. In case you are wondering what is this is the bottle. It's a container of coffee, you know, that you can buy from the grocery. This is what I am using. Easy to wash, easy to use, compared to bottled water, the plastic one.
People found their own way of marking the occasion while braving the searing heat.
200 nationalities in themselves are shocked and victory.
We are now out here, and we're going to distribute this money from anywhere around here. I don't know where, but yeah, something easy to find and something a little bit hard to find. So it's going to be a surprise for the people who see it. Okay, we go this way first, and we're just going to leave the money. Okay, so I don't see any people in here, and yeah, there's one chair in there, and I'm going to leave the money there. This is the $20. We leave that there. I hope the person who get that is the one who needs it, you know. Anyway, whoever take it, I'll be happy. Oh, there are actually people up there, but for sure they're not going down there. Oh, that's the first couple that I see along the way. So if they look in the chair, they will see that money. Yeah, well, it's good. And you know, receiving something is really good. It makes us happy. But the reality is, when we give, when we share, we are even more happier. I noticed that there are police that are patrolling the area at the moment. And this is how it is at the moment. Yeah, it's closed already, but still here there are many people. Yeah, the temperature this time is just right because it is almost sunset. Actually, when I left the house, it was around 7 o'clock, almost after 7 o'clock, because the news was just finished when I left the house. Yeah, so the sun is not harsh anymore this time. Sorry. Yeah, there are gatherings everywhere. Really nice. I saw some drunk men along the way going to pass through here. I don't know. I think I'm going to leave some money for them. Yeah, I leave that money, the $20 in there. Those drunk guys are going to see that, and yeah, I don't know what is going to be the reaction, but I hope they use the money for something good and not for drinking. And I hope they yeah, I write something in there. And I still have $50 in here. And we are now here in Little Beach. Oh, there are many people in the jetty. Also in here, there are many people in here. judging the look of all these people, for sure all of them, they have money, yeah, by just their looks, but we don't really know because we don't know them. We are not going that side, we are going to this way. The time now is 7:30. As you notice, it is still bright in here. I will not show you.
Film him, film him. I'm gonna let it be in video.
They asked me to buy petrol.
No!
They ran out of fuel. I said yes to them because it is going to be an experience. So it's all right. Also, I know those guys. I always see them around, and also they know that I had a little chat with them before. They know my YouTube channel. I would like to buy a petrol, but I don't know how to operate. Okay. Okay, so maybe this is the one. 95 Shell unleaded 95. Okay, so I will be carrying it like this, but there is no lid. Just like that. So, easy.
Nope.
You know how far it can go? How far can it go? Huh? That $5 petrol, how until where it can go? How far?
Oh, 50 kilometers.
Really?
Yeah.
So yeah, that's Blake and Jason. Yeah, they are always together whenever I see them around here. He said that that $5 petrol can reach up to 50 kilometers already. That's good, amazing. I will show you their car. Maybe they will pass through here. Yeah, that's Blake and Jason. That area is actually a little bit far from the petrol station. Yeah, I don't know what they are waiting. They are waiting for me. They know that I am coming. You know, it's good because I am feeling all right. Because sometimes there are people that are calling me and I am afraid to approach them. Yeah, I just smile and then I go. Because you know, sometimes I am feeling paranoid that they will just going to make fun of me or do something bad. Yeah, I feel that in the whenever I encounter those people who is calling me. Yeah, even before in another country and different country, yeah, there are some people who are doing that. And you know, that's my very first time to use the pump. I don't know how to use it. Yeah, I asked the guy in the petrol station how to use it, and he said just press it. And you know that I still have the $50 in here, and I'm thinking of putting it somewhere here in the outdoor gym. Okay, we find another place to put the money somewhere, and not in here because it is windy. It is going to peel off, and there are some people there. They are fishing, and some tourists on that side, and you can see this is closed at the moment, and there are still some people in there. That restaurant is closed already, and there are so many birds in there. They are cockatoo, very noisy. On the upper a little bit far, so many lorikeet. They are noisy too, and the moon is already there, and the time now is 8:10. Yeah, and today is Australia Day. Yeah, so happy Australia Day to everyone. And this $50, I'm going to leave it here. Yeah, somewhere here. Yeah, and I don't know who is going to see that, but for sure it will stay there for a long time because yeah, you don't really notice it if you are here. Yeah. So if you happen to be here in Nelson Bay, try to have a look in there. Maybe you're going to see it. Yeah, it's $50. And I will be happy if you get it. Yeah. Yeah, the location is here in Albura Marina, in between Albura Marina and Nelson Bay Foreshore. And next to this restaurant.